為你寫明呢首詩歌係由德國一位嘅詩人歌唱家，佢嘅名叫做 Francis Ridley Havener， 喺1859年所寫成嘅。Havener 早年佢已經開始寫詩，咁當佢喺德國讀呢一個嘅語言文學期間，佢有一次去參觀喺呢一個杜塞爾多夫一間嘅藝術博物館嘅時候，佢偶然發現咗一幅嘅油畫。油畫裏面嘅內容係描述比拉多點樣將耶穌基督交付喺一班嘅烏合之眾。當呢個嘅 Havener 定睛喺呢一幅圖畫嘅時候，佢發現下面有一段嘅説話咁樣寫上：我曾為你寫明，你曾經為我做過啲乜嘢呢？當時只有17歲嘅 Havener深深被呢段説話所打動，於是佢立即翻返到屋企，去為呢一段嘅説話嚟到寫一首詩。得到佢爸爸嘅鼓勵同埋幫助，佢當晚就完成咗呢首嘅詩。幾年之後，美國一位嘅音樂家，亦都一位歌唱家，佢嘅名叫做 Philip Bliss， 為呢一首嘅詩嚟到去譜曲。就係今日我所彈嘅《我曾為你寫明》。詩歌嘅副歌提醒我哋唔好忘記基督嘅愛，因為佢完完全全將自己奉獻咗俾我哋人類，俾我哋為我哋嘅罪犧牲喺十字架上面。所以我哋都應該將我哋生命係完完全全咁奉獻俾神。希望你喜歡呢首詩歌，神祝福大家。I gave my life for tea was a hymn written by the German poet and singer Francis Ridley Havener in 1859. Havener began writing poems in her teen years. During her school life, studying arts and literatures in German, she was taken to an art museum in Düsseldorf. As she walked across the museum, she came across a painting whose depiction was of Pilate presenting Christ to an angry mob. When she was thoughtfully gazing at the painting, her eye fell to an inscription that read, I have done for you what you have done for me. 17-year-old Havener was so profoundly moved by the inscriptions. Therefore, she went home straight and began writing a poem for the inscriptions and the painting. With the help and encouragement of her father, she finished the hymn that night. Several years later, an American musician, Philip Bliss, set the tone to the poem that I played today. The chorus reminds us to not forget the love of Christ. He fully gave his life for us. Thus, we should give our life fully to him. I hope you like the hymn. God bless you all.